Wiser app review for 2025. I tried the Wiser app and here's what I found. It's a good platform offering 15-minute book summaries in text and audio. Think Blinkist but at lower price, around $50 a year compared to $80 to $100 elsewhere. The UI is polished and clean, ratings are high, and fans love the bite sized format and the learn on the go. That said, users report occasional crashes, missing popular titles, and the confusing cancellation process that led to unexpected charges. While the core strengths, learning quickly and affordably. Drawbacks, tech glitches, limited library depth, and a tricky exit policy. Well, the bottom line, Wiser's great for busy folks wanting quick knowledge, but if you want a robust catalog, rock solid performance, and easy billing control, you might outgrow it.